Meet Dr. Daniel Batchelor. He is a Roswell, Georgia doctor of chiropractic who has effectively treated over 11,000 patients over the last 30 years. He is also the winner of over 350 endurance races. Whether you have been injured at home, in an auto accident, or on the job, or if you just need an occasional tune-up, Dr. Batchelor will know exactly what to do to help you get back in action as soon as possible. Be the best you can. Let Atlanta's top doctor and athlete show you how to get better faster. We're open 7 days per week and accept insurance with usually just a small copay. We are located just north of the Chattahoochee River on Roswell Road in Roswell at 270 South Atlanta Street, Roswell, Georgia 30075. Our 24-hour appointment phone is 770-992-2002. See you soon.